I feel her home with bleeding hands. Ladies breathe with love and plans. You are my life, my reason why. Now I just talk to an open sky. I'm still waiting at the door where your laughter lived before. Every night I whisper low, come back home, don't let me go. But silence is all I know. You are your car, I fix your time. Watch you chase your dreams and fly. I gave you wings, I stayed behind. But now you're gone, and so it's time. I'm still waiting at the door where your footsteps touch the floor. Even flame begins to fade, but the love, it always stays. Still alone, still afraid. I don't need much, just one more day to hear you call, to hear you say, should I remember who you are? But wishes don't go that far. So I sing here on the stage, old and tired, full of aches. Not for cold, not for pain, just to call out your name. Still waiting, still